welcome back to MAURO'S Films on this very little short vlog. This is an ND filter for the Mavic Pro, the ND1000, and it's used mostly for long exposures. I don't need it because I sold the Pro, so I decided to make a giveaway. I like you guys. First rule, you have to be subscribed. Second rule, you have to comment down below and tell me for which purpose you will use this ND filter. And the third rule, you should follow me on Instagram to double the chances. I wish you a really great luck to everyone.
Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world.